Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay, I'm also fine. Because you are not able to ask me, but you might be thinking, how is ma'am? I'm also fine, okay? And now, yesterday we were talking about which lesson? We were talking about the singular and plural. What is singular? Singular means a single word. Okay? Singular means what? When we speak about a singular words or singular nouns stand for one person, one place, one thing, one animal or one bird. Not or and one word. Okay? And plurals means what? A plural noun stands for more than one person. When we speak about one person means singular, and when we speak about more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, more than one thing, more than one bird, that is called what? Plural. And yesterday we studied first two rules, correct? Third rule also we have studied, I think so, but then how to form plurals, how we can form plurals. So third one is given away is the change the final y of the singular noun. What we have to do? We have to change final y of the singular noun into I and add es. This we have taken yesterday. So you remember? But then also I want to repeat it, so I have taken it, or then we will revise it, so I have taken it. So first example is given lady. So what we have to do? Final y is there. What is the final y? We are going to remove. Then what I have to write? L-A-D, lad. And instead of y, last y we are going to remove, and instead of y, what we are going to add over there? We are going to add I. What we are going to add over there? Instead of y, we are going to add I. And front side it is told that and add es. What we are going to add? Es. So what this word will become? It will become ladies. One lady, many ladies. Second one is baby. Correct? Second one is what? Baby. Then D-A-B. Correct? Y, final y we are going to remove. We are going to remove final y, and instead of y, what we are going to add? I. Understood? Y we are going to remove, and I we are going to put, and we are going to add es. So what this word will become? One baby, many babies. One lady, many ladies. Now what is lady? Lady means in Marathi what we call mahila. Okay, woman. Correct? One lady, and if there are 4 or 5 ladies standing in a group, then what we say, there are 4 to 5 ladies standing on the ground, or you can say standing in front of house. Understood? Baby means what? Baby, young ones, bal. In Marathi you call it bal. So one baby, many babies. Now words ending with y. Can you tell me some more? Body, B-O-D-Y, body. This y we are going to, final y we are going to change, and instead of y we are going to write I and es. What we are going to do? Y we are going to remove, and instead of y we are going to add I, and we are going to add es to it. Have you understood? The fourth rule which is given over here is add s if the final y of the singular noun comes after a vowel. Now I have told you vowels. Which are vowels? Have we studied? I think so in first chapter it was there, or what, in first standards lessons? No. But you have studied vowels in second standard. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. Now total in English alphabet there are 26 letters. Which are those 26 letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And from this 26 letters, 5 are what? 5 are vowels. What are 5? 5 are vowels. And then remaining 21. Now if we will minus 5 from 26. Then how much will remain? How many letters will remain? 21 letters will remain. How many letters will remain? 21 letters. Then these 21 letters are what? These 21 letters are consonants. What they are? Consonants. And then it is told that when such words are there, which letters are there? A, E, I, O, U. Here O is there. From that 5 letters O is there. Yes. O is there. E is there. Yes. A is there. Yes. Here again E is there. We have taken 4 examples. What we have done? 4 examples. It is told that add S if the final Y of the singular noun comes after a vowel. Now everywhere Y comes after what? इथे पण Y कशा नंतर आलेला आहे? vowel letterच्या नंतर आलेला आहे Y. इथे पण same thing is there. Vowel letter is there and then Y is there. Here also what is there? Vowel letter is there and then Y is there. Even here also what is there? Vowel letter is there and Y is there. So it is told that wherever Y is after vowel letter, wherever Y is after vowel letters, at that time what you have to do? You have to add S in the end. What you have to add? You have to add S. Now look, one boy will become what? Many boys. Correct? One key and many keys. One ray and many rays. One story. I will write down here. One story and many stories. Everywhere vowel is there before Y. So we have to add S in the ending of those words. What we have to add? We have to add S in the ending of the words which have vowels before Y. Keep in mind there are 5 vowels and there are 21 consonants in English alphabet. And everywhere what is there? O is there. O is what? Vowel. Here E is there. E is what? E is also vowel. Here A is there. A is what? Vowel. Here again E is there. So wherever at last Y you can see, before that Y, if you will get letters which are vowels, then what you have to do for plural form? You have to add S for plural form. This is our which rule? This is our 4th rule of singular and plurals. Understood? What was our first rule? Our first rule was what? To add only S. Second rule was what? To add ES. To which words? The words which are ending with letters A, not A, O. The words which are ending with letter O, the words which are ending with letter S, the words which are ending with letter SH, correct? Then CH and last one is X. 5 are there, correct? That was second rule which we studied 2 days back. Then after that third rule was what? Wherever final Y is there, wherever Y is there in ending of the word, what we have to do? We have to remove Y and instead of Y, what we have to add? We have to add I. And after that you have to add more ES. You have to remove Y, instead of Y we have to replace I and then we have to add ES. Such words are lady will change to ladies. One baby meaning babies. One body meaning bodies. And then 4th rule was what? Add S if the final Y. Final Y, before that Y, what is that? If the words are, the letters are vowels. Before final Y, if the letters are vowels A, E, I, O, U. At that time, what we have to do? We have to add S in the ending of those words to form what? To form plurals. Understood? Next rule which is given over here is, I will just show you. Change the final F. Look, 5th one. Change the final F or FE. Here it is. Change the final F or FE of the singular noun into V and add ES. Have you understood something? Change the final F. If the words are ending with F and the words which are ending with FE of the singular noun, what you have to do? You have to change it into V correct? F and FE you have to change to V, and what you have to add? You have to add ES. And examples of this rule I will take in tomorrow's period. Okay, we have completed 4 rules. 5th and 6th rule we are going to study tomorrow. Please keep in mind that when we are changing singular noun to plural noun, that time some rules are there. Anywhere you cannot add ES, anywhere you cannot add S, anywhere you cannot add IES. For every singular and plural form, there are rules given in the English grammar book. You don't have English grammar book, but then I will send you photo of this page so that you can do study of these rules. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.
Very good.